The system is rigged, but we're here to beat it.
They trap you before arrest. They set you up before the trial. And when you think it's over, the real fight is just beginning. Let's talk about how the system is rigged from the stop to the sentence. As you well know, there are a lot of people in prison today predicated upon illegal search and seizure and or profiling from the police. Fourth Amendment is really specific about illegal searches and seizure. However, police often at times get right around that by saying there were exigent circumstances. And that's what we're going to talk about, because the word exigent circumstances is when the police state on the record that there were circumstances that validated them breaking the law to perform a search and seizure or some sort of detention. And that's generally what happens when they find or uncover evidence on an individual that is then utilized by prosecutors who know that rights have been violated to prosecute a case and put a person in sentence. Now, what happens, or put a person in prison? Now, what happens if that person was a recidivist or had some run-ins back in the day? I got a guy that we worked with that was out of trouble for 15 years, gets pulled over, illegal search and seizure. They find weed when at that point it was still not legalized. The man gets a 25-year habitual offender sentence in prison. We got him out, but he served 12 years in jail. That's something to think about. Drop in the comments about how the system is rigged and how we're going to beat it, because I'm going to be teaching you more and more. I'm reinvigorated after a conference I went to. I'm going to teach you more and more about how we, you and I, collectively are going to beat this system.